Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can add support blockers in Anycubic Slicer. So inside my preview I actually have supports on the part where I don't want them, and the way that you can do this is to add support blockers. So basically, first things first, you want to click on the support option, and then right after you just want to select or enable the support option, choose your support type and your style. Right after, we are going to use this support blockers or the support painting option. Basically, there's two ways that you could use this. We have the right click and the left click. If you want to apply support blockers, you just want to press right click on your keyboard, which will then apply this red marking right here. Now in my case, since my supports are already applied, it will actually show me where the supports are located at. So let's go ahead and block the supports on the front of my model right here. And basically from there, let's just click on the slice plate option once more. And basically we can now see that it totally blocks support in that specific area. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.